When it comes to conquering the forefront of technology, when it comes to exploring unseen horizons in innovation, when it comes to setting the finest standards in excellence, one name rings a bell in the Indian automobile industry: IP Rings Limited. The IP Rings saga began in the year 1991, when the infant Indian automobile industry was still to open up to new technologies. IP Rings, promoted by India Pistons, Simpsons, Tafe and Amalgamations, IP Rings was the technology pioneer thanks to collaboration with Nippon Piston Ring Company Limited, Japan. IP Rings has an advanced manufacturing facility in Marimale Nagar, which is just 40 kilometers from the Chennai metropolis. Here the complete spectrum of rings is engineered, be it steel, cast iron or Niflex rings. At the IP Rings plant, steel rings are crafted out of a special quality cold-drawn martensitic stainless steel with precisely monitored mechanical properties. These include resistance to wear, thermal collapse, corrosion and enhanced fatigue strength. And besides steel rings, even nodular iron and grey cast iron rings with wear-resistant surface coatings are rolled out of the stable. On the surface engineering front, IP Rings is the only manufacturing facility in India for an extensive range of surface engineering technologies. Its completely automated plant has the capability to chrome plate the side faces of the ring as well as the bore surface, besides periphery plating. The plasma spray unit, which is important for improving scruff and wear resistance of the ring at high operating temperatures, is not to be left behind either. Capable of spraying alloy powders and multi-layer coatings, it benchmarks itself among the best in the world. The gas nitriding furnace, on the other hand, maintains a close control on the mechanical properties and case depth. The result? Extended engine life for both cars and two-wheelers. IP Rings has the capability to manufacture 3-piece steel oil-controlled rings based on the well-known Niflex H&S designs. Right from the day of inception, IP Rings has practiced quality control to the levels of obsession. For a company that has stayed at the forefront since 1991, the rewards of leadership have been from both the technology and the quality front. Many firsts have been registered on technical leadership, be it surface engineering, engine test beds, laser marking, or the manufacture of transmission components. Many laurels have been heaped by OEMs and quality assurance bodies alike. And IP Rings shares the distinction among just a few companies in India to be certified by RWTUV. It is a well-known fact that every leader in the engineering industry stays a leader by setting the benchmark with R&D. And in the case of IP Rings, it is no different. The company constantly challenges boundaries to set the pace rather than keep pace in an evolving automotive industry that is facing ever-increasing and stringent emission norms. This is why it has obtained in-house R&D recognition from the Ministry of Science and Technology. IP Rings has installed 3 engine test beds that have the capability to test anything from a heavy vehicle engine to a two-wheeler engine. And in keeping with the emission alerts across borders, the company has also equipped itself with emission testing facilities to contribute in its own way towards the cause of nature. It goes without saying that the company that has been at the forefront of technology since its inception enjoys the confidence of its customers. And IP Rings takes great pride in being associated with the giants who move the wheels of the automobile industry in India. A growing customer base in a liberalized market stands testimony to quality excellence and economic production strategies. This is why the client list reflects the who's who of the auto industry. Responsible leadership in the industry is the mantra at IP Rings. And responsible leadership means opening out new avenues and setting the pace. Reason why IP Rings has ventured into the manufacture of forged transmission components using the cold forming process. Another pioneering step towards excellence, as the process lends itself to a high degree of geometrical accuracy and improved mechanical properties. The road ahead is full of potholes and challenges, opportunities and changes. The energy crisis is speeding the search for new energy sources, which means engines will change, automobiles will change, transport methods will change. But there's one thing that time never changes: the quest for excellence.